Is this the end of the Python 3.8 or 3.7 version? So you will get the answer at the end of this video. So hello and welcome. In this video we are going to learn whether the Python 3.7 and 3.8 commands work with the Python 3.9. So what is 3.9? 3.9 is the new version of the Python that is under process and it will release soon, and the beta version is also available. Okay, so what are the new features in the Python? I will discuss here in this video, and basically there are the four functions that are new in the Python 3.9. So let's take a look of all those functions. That is, first function is dictionary union operator, and the next one is type hinting, and the next one two new string methods are there, and the last new feature that are new parser with Python 3.9. So first take the look of the dictionary union operator. Suppose you have a two dictionary and you can merge that two dictionaries by using the union operator. So what is union operator? It's just give the whole combination of all possible sets. Okay, so suppose we have a two dictionary, that is A and B, and both have the key value pair values. So just for the one we have a value A, this is a string type, and so on. So we have two dictionary and we take the new dictionary, that is C, and by applying the union operator we just merge two dictionaries. As you can see, the output for these operation will be the combined dictionary, that is A and B. Okay, so as you can see, 1 ratio A and 2 is to B, 3 is to C, 4 is to D, and the 7 is to F. So these two different dictionary are combined into a single dictionary. So that's how the dictionary union operator works. So what is the next feature? That is type hinting. As we know guys, the Python is a dynamically typed language, so whenever we declare any variable, so we don't need to use any data type like int, char, float, etc. Not a char in a Python, a string is a Python. Okay, so when we work with a function, there is some problem. Just like suppose you are going to make a function for the getting the summation or the average of two values. So but unfortunately you just provide the string operation, a string data type, so it will pop the error. So for this we have a type hinting that will be automatically tell you the expected output, expected data type. Okay, so this is the example of the type hinting. Suppose in the first line there is a function that is some dict, and we take the two dict. We are going to take as a dictionary as a having two argument, that is first is the string type and the next one is the integer type. So as you see guys, in the test one all the values are okay. As you can see, key value pair, key is in the form of string and the values in the form of integer. And for the test 2, there is key and value both are in the form of integer. So when we run this function, it will be popped like this: expected type dict str, that is stand for the string. So as you can see, test 2, in the place of 1 and the place of 2 there should be a string type. Okay, so this is the new feature of Python 3.9, that is type hinting. As you can see, this is automatically generated exception. Okay, it will tell you the expected value. So what are the next feature? So there are two new string methods that add in with the Python 3.9, and that is, first one is the remove prefix and the next one is the remove suffix. So it will take an argument as a string and return as a new updated string. Suppose for example I just take this string, and if we apply remove prefix, then it will pop, it will remove the prefix means what, the word which is in the starting point. Okay, so it will just remove that word. Okay, suppose this is a string that is KAVYANSH, and we are performing remove prefix and we are removing KA, so output will be VYANSH. Okay, so this is how the remove prefix work. For the suffix, it will it will remove out the last words. Okay, so this is the string, and if we perform remove suffix and we provide the substring inside the brackets, it will return like this. So as you can see guys, sh is not present in the output. So this is how the remove prefix and remove suffix work. These two methods are not present in Python 3.8 or Python 3.7 or the previous versions. Okay, and the next feature is the new parser. So currently Python using LL1 parser that parses the expression from top to bottom manner and left to right manner. Okay, so top to down and left to right manner. So if you knowledge about the parser, so you will know what is LL1, LL2, LR and CLR etc. So Python is currently working on LL1 parser, and from the version 3.9 Python will use PEG parser that will provide more flexibility to the developers. So these are the new features of the Python 3.9. So what will be the new, what are the 3.9? It is nothing but the collection of the all the features that Python previous version of Python hold, that is 3.7 and 3.8, and additionally it has these four features. So this is all about the Python 3.9. So if you found this video helpful, just share with your friends and thumbs up, and thank you so much.